Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. Today, Lydia and I were out and about, and we decided to stop at the restore. She's still looking for a lamp, and I'm looking for whatever I can find. Kind of like this little socket screwdriver, which was not a good one. Oh, what do we have here? Well, quite a pile of stuff. $1. Allen wrenches, yeah, I got a lot of them. But this looks kind of cool. I'll carry it around a bit. There's some files. You know, I always like files, but these are pretty far gone. This desk is kind of cool. $30, but it's huge. And this one has some interesting items in it. Someone had a hobby. Nope, don't need these. These are left over from the 70s. Best stay there. This is a nice big bookcase, but I got plenty of those. Wonder where Lydia went off to. Oh, look at all this stuff. I got a busted doorknob, and I'm always looking for a replacement. Something I can take the lock out of and replace the doorknob. Just the shell's bad. But, nah. No luck. I think this is the same batch of handles that they've had for over a year now. Well, I'm looking inside this box, and you can't see anything, but it's casters. There we go. Now you can see inside. Oh, this is a roto-zip part. I don't have a roto-zip. Boxes and nails. And these rotary shelves, They put things on there that they think they get more money for because they're all overpriced. The new gang here at the Restore, different people, different prices. Everything's gone up. I still get a couple of deals every once in a while, though. An electric edger. Don't need one. I have a gasoline-powered one that chops up stumps. I was sure she was right around here somewhere. Well, I'll go over here and take a look. Maybe she's in this aisle. Huh. 5-wire cord. I don't know what it is. Pigtails for some kind of equipment. 16 gauge, 5 wires, not really useful. Okay, they've had this set up as a place where they put the electric tools for a while, and all they've got is a sander, which I have an exact copy of that sander. I don't need that one. And some hedge trimmers. Nope.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union, without the express written permission of the parents or legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.